Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Siemens brand dishwasher and you need to do a reset on it. Maybe you just want to change the cycle, or maybe it's acting funny where you're getting some error codes and you want to do a full reset on it. So if you're just trying to get it to, it's in the middle of a cycle and you're trying to stop it and you want to just reset the cycle and get it over and get it to stop, it's real easy. Depending on the model, it'll be on a different spot. But all you need to do is find the start button, and if you press and hold the start button for 3 seconds, it will reset the dishwasher, but it will just reset the cycle. It will just put it back to a standby mode, and then you can put it in a different cycle and send it on. If you're having issues with it and you want to do a hard reset on it, then you're going to have to do this the old-fashioned way, which is to make sure it's turned off, unplug it from the wall, or if you can't get it unplugged at the wall, turn it off at the circuit, and then just leave it off, disconnected from power for at least a minute, and really the longer the better, to get everything cleared out. And then once you restore power, it'll go through a startup cycle and it will be reset to its original settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.